Welcome to eGreen, your path to a healthier you. Here at eGreen, we're all about empowering you to live your healthiest and happiest lives. We're not just about information, we're about giving you the tools and knowledge to make informed decisions about your well-being. My name is Saeed Mustafa, and I'm incredibly passionate about public health. This channel is a culmination of years of experience and research, dedicated to bringing you the most valuable insights on how to live a healthier life. Don't forget to subscribe to eGreen and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our latest videos, packed with practical tips and evidence-based advice. Let's dive in. Let's kick off with a true nutritional powerhouse, spinach. While cooked spinach has benefits, eating it raw packs a bigger punch for certain vitamins and antioxidants. Heat can degrade some of its vitamin C content, essential for a strong immune system and healthy skin. Raw spinach is also brimming with heat-sensitive antioxidants like folate, crucial for cell growth and development. Try blending it into smoothies, adding it to sandwiches for a fresh crunch, or using it as a bed for grilled fish or chicken. The possibilities are endless, so get creative with raw spinach and enjoy its full nutritional benefits. Next up, we have another cruciferous superstar, broccoli. Raw broccoli is bursting with an enzyme called myrosinase. Myrosinase helps form sulforaphane, a compound with potent anti-cancer properties. Cooking broccoli can significantly reduce myrosinase activity, meaning you miss out on some of those incredible sulforaphane benefits. For the ultimate nutritional boost, try incorporating some raw broccoli into your diet. Chopped broccoli florets add a satisfying crunch to salads, and they're also delicious dipped in hummus or your favorite healthy dip. Enjoy raw broccoli for its full health benefits. Moving on to our next colorful contender, bell peppers. These vibrant vegetables come in a variety of colors, including green, red, yellow, and orange, each with its own unique flavor and nutritional profile. These vibrant vegetables are incredibly nutritious, especially when enjoyed raw. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. Just 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper provides more than 300% of your daily vitamin C needs. This makes them an excellent choice for boosting your immune system and keeping your skin healthy. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that plays a vital role in immune function and collagen production. It helps protect your cells from damage and supports the healing of wounds. To maximize your vitamin C intake from bell peppers, enjoying them raw is the way to go. Slice them into salads for a crunchy texture and a burst of color. Add them to wraps and sandwiches for an extra layer of flavor and nutrition, or simply munch on them as a refreshing and nutritious snack. They are perfect for a quick and healthy bite on the go. Did you know that red bell peppers are actually the ripest stage of green bell peppers? As they mature, they change color and become sweeter. As they ripen, their vitamin C content increases, along with their sweetness. So next time you reach for a bell pepper, remember that you're not just adding flavor to your meal, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Chapter 4. Kale, the king of raw greens. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Eating it raw allows you to take full advantage of its impressive nutrient profile. Raw kale is an excellent source of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Just 1 cup of chopped kale provides over 600% of your daily vitamin K requirements. Massaging the kale leaves with a bit of olive oil and lemon juice can help soften them and reduce bitterness. You can also try blending raw kale into smoothies where its flavor is easily masked by fruits and other ingredients. Chapter 5. Crunchy and cool cabbage, your new raw food friend. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function and overall health. It's also a good source of vitamin K, folate, and fiber, essential for digestive health and promoting regularity. Raw cabbage can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Shred it into salads, use it as a wrap for sandwiches and spring rolls, or make a refreshing coleslaw with a healthy dressing. Fermenting cabbage is a great way to enhance its nutritional value even further. Fermented cabbage, also known as sauerkraut or kimchi, is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Chapter 6. Onions unlock the power of pungent flavor. Onions are incredibly nutritious, especially when eaten raw. They are rich in sulfur-containing compounds, which have been linked to a wide range of health benefits. One of the key sulfur-containing compounds found in onions is allicin, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. When onions are cooked, some of these beneficial compounds, including allicin, can be destroyed or reduced. To maximize the health benefits of onions, it's best to eat them raw whenever possible. Incorporate raw onions into your diet without overwhelming your taste buds by adding them to salads, salsas, and sandwiches. Chapter 7. Garlic. Small but mighty, especially when raw. Garlic is most potent when consumed raw. Its characteristic pungent flavor and aroma are due to a sulfur-containing compound called allicin. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped and is responsible for many of garlic's health benefits, including lowering blood pressure and boosting immune function. However, allicin is highly volatile and can be easily destroyed by heat. To reap the full health benefits of garlic, it's best to eat it raw or lightly cooked. Adding crushed or minced garlic to dishes at the end of cooking can help preserve some of its allicin content. Chapter 8. Let's move on to a vibrant and versatile root vegetable, beets. These ruby-colored roots are not only visually stunning but also packed with numerous health benefits. Beets are known for their beautiful deep red color, which comes from a pigment called betalain. This pigment is not just for show, it has powerful antioxidant properties that help protect your cells from damage. Raw beets are an excellent source of nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. This makes them a great addition to your diet if you're looking to support cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that consuming beet juice or raw beets can significantly improve blood pressure levels. In fact, just a single serving of beet juice can have a noticeable impact on your blood pressure within hours. In addition to nitrates, beets are also a good source of folate, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Folate is particularly important for DNA synthesis and repair, while fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Cooking beets can reduce their folate content, so eating them raw is a great way to maximize your intake of this important nutrient. Raw beets retain all their natural goodness, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Folate is essential for cell growth and development, making it especially crucial during pregnancy. Adequate folate intake can help prevent neural tube defects in developing babies. Try adding raw beets to salads or smoothies to enjoy their full nutritional benefits. Their earthy flavor pairs well with a variety of ingredients, making them a versatile addition to your meals. Whether you're looking to boost your nutrient intake or simply enjoy a delicious and healthy food, raw beets are a fantastic choice. Chapter 9. Let's talk about carrots, the crunchy and slightly sweet root vegetables that are a staple in many diets. These vibrant orange veggies are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. While carrots are often enjoyed cooked, whether steamed, boiled, or roasted, eating them raw allows you to take full advantage of their impressive nutrient content. Raw carrots are a convenient and healthy snack that can be enjoyed anytime. Carrots are renowned for their rich beta-carotene content, which our bodies convert into vitamin A, a vital nutrient essential for maintaining good vision and a strong immune function. Vitamin A also plays a crucial role in skin health and cell growth. While cooking carrots can make the beta-carotene more bioavailable, meaning our bodies can absorb it more easily, it can also lead to some nutrient loss, particularly of water-soluble vitamins. Raw carrots retain all of their vitamin C along with other heat-sensitive nutrients like certain B vitamins and antioxidants. Incorporating some raw carrots into your meals and snacks is a great way to boost your intake of vitamin C and other important nutrients. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a raw carrot and enjoy its natural goodness. Chapter 10. Finally, let's talk about zucchini, the versatile summer squash that's often a star ingredient in many dishes. While zucchini is delicious grilled, sautéed, or baked, eating it raw allows you to maximize its nutritional value. Zucchini is a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production. Cooking zucchini can degrade its vitamin C content. Raw zucchini is also a good source of potassium and fiber, essential for digestive health and maintaining fluid balance. If you're not a fan of raw zucchini on its own, try adding it to salads or spiralizing it into noodles for a refreshing twist. So there you have it, 10 fantastic vegetables that pack an even bigger nutritional punch when you enjoy them raw. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the eGreen channel for more interesting facts. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier you.